Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to organize a data. Our topic is organization of data. When we collect any information, then the numbers that we obtain or the observation that we obtain are not in any order. So we have to arrange them. We have to organize them in a proper form. So this we're going to study how to organize a data today. Suppose if we have very small data, suppose we have 5 6 numbers like this: 2 1 0 7 5. Suppose a student has collected the information about the number of pens in the box of 5 students, and he got the data, the information like this: one student was having 2 pen, one was having 1, and one was having no pen, there was 0 pen, one was having 7 pen, and one was having 5 pen. So this was the data. So we are observing this. In this data, the observation, these numbers are called observation. The observation are not in any order. It means from smaller to greater or from greater to smaller. So if we arrange it, then it will be written in an order. So this will be called as organization of data. So if we have very small data, we can arrange it in ascending or descending order. So if we talk about ascending, means smaller to greater, so it will be 0 1 2 5 and 7. And if we talk about descending, then bigger one, then smaller, and the least number at the last. So this way we can organize this very small data. Now the second organization, second arrangement is in tabular form. Tabular form. If we have a data which is small, not very small, which is small means it is containing 10 numbers, more than 10, 12, 20 numbers, then that data is to be arranged in tabular form. So what is it? Tabular form means taking tally mark, we're going to make a table. Taking tally mark, we're going to make a table. Now what is it? Let us first take a data. Suppose there was an information collected about marks obtained in a class out of 10 in any test, and it was like this: 4 6 7 5 3 5 4. Some marks will be repeated: 2 6 and 2 5 1 9 6 5 8 4 6 7. So we are observing this data, this information which contain some numbers are not very small. You can say that it is small, but you cannot say it is very small. So if we're going to write it in ascending or descending order, then it will take a little time. So what we're going to do, we're going to arrange it in a tabular form. And also we are observing that some numbers are repeated. So when we're going to arrange it in a table form, what we have to do, we have to first make the columns. First column is for marks, because this is the information about the marks. At the middle, tally mark. Tally mark means the number which are repeated. For that we have to make the tally mark. Then frequency. Frequency means number of a student having the same marks. So let us first identify the smaller number. So very small number is 1. If you observe, the numbers start from 1, 2, 3 is also there, 4 is also there, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. From 1 to 9 we can observe numbers are there, marks are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now let us check how many times these numbers are repeated. First number is 4. For making the tally mark, we're going to make a standing line. 4, first number is 4, so in the tally mark, in front of 4, we're going to draw a standing line. Let us make some columns also, some rows also, so that it can be easily highlighted that which number is repeated how many times. So 4 is one time. Then next number is 6. 6 we have over here. For tally mark we draw the standing line. Then 7, then 5, this is 5, 3, this is 3, then 5, again come to the number 5, 4, we have 4, 2 standing line, 5, we have 3 standing line, 2, 1 standing line, 6, 2 standing line, 2, 2 standing line, 5, 1 standing line, 1, 1, 9, 1 standing line, 6, one more standing line, 5. Now 1 2 3 4, already 4 standing line are there. Fifth line we have to draw. So this point we have to note, in tally mark we make a bunch of 5 numbers. So how it is, we have to draw 4 standing lines and 1 cut for the fifth line. So it means there is a group of 5 numbers. So 5, how many times we have? 5 times. Then next is 8, 1 time, 4, 3 time, 6, 1 more time, and 7 is 9, 1 time. Now on the basis of this tally mark, we're going to write the number of students. So how many students have got 1 mark? Only 1 student. How many students have got 2 mark? 1 2 students. How many students have got 3 mark? 1 student. How many students have got 4 marks? 3 students. 5 marks? 5 students. 6 marks? 4 students. 7 marks? 2 students. 8 marks? 1 student. And 9 marks? 1 student. So student, this way we can organize any data in tabular form. Thank you.